Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDXG. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. The question revolve around the fact that today was a good solid move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't a good move. Everyone would agree, good solid move. But that does bring up the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at the 9.5 cent mark. So why is 9.5 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward, not go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 9.5 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, bounces around and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress upwards over time. Now, ideally speaking, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above that pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, that would definitely make the chart look the strongest. But by no means is that a must-hold level. The must-hold level is down there for 9.5 cents for the reasons we just talked about. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above the pink line, that would be best case scenario. Now for the fun stuff, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? First key level is just right up here where the party stopped on a couple different occasions today, and that is just shy of 14 cents, so 0.139, 0.138. I'm curious if that matches up with anything if I scrunch up the chart. Oh, and it sure does. You can see right here, now this area makes perfect sense, so it was rejected there, and there you look back through the history, oh, rejected right there, and then rejected here a couple times, so 0.138, 0.139, initial area of resistance. Next key level, if the price can push through there, right up there at 15 cents. So all in all, no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add some value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving.